Hello there. Ready to learn how to get Pixel Gun 3D gems? In this video, I'll show you how to earn them for no charge on Android, iOS, and PC. So just follow this step by step. Let's get started. First, go to this website, getvgame.com. Then search for Pixel Gun 3D. So, we will type our username or game ID. Then we will select our device. For me, I have an Android. Then click Connect. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. I will choose 480 gems. So it says that we have to unlock our gems manually, so click Unlock Now. It says open your game and check the gems as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my 480 gems and I can use it without problems. So just follow all these steps. And guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.